Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, let's gather the necessary tools for this screen replacement. You will need a Phillips No. 0 screwdriver, a plastic pry tool, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any damage to the internal components. Make sure you also have a clean workspace to keep your parts organized. 1. First, power off your Asus GL703G and disconnect it from any power source. Remove any connected peripherals, including USB devices. 2. Next, you'll need to remove the back cover of the laptop. Using your Phillips screwdriver, locate and unscrew the 7 screws on the back panel. Make sure to store them safely as they will be needed later. 3. Once the screws are removed, gently use your plastic pry tool to lift the back cover off. Start from one corner and work your way around the edges to avoid breaking any clips. 4. After removing the back cover, locate the battery connector. Disconnect the battery by carefully lifting the connector from the motherboard. This is an essential step to ensure your safety while working on the laptop. 5. Now, let's focus on the screen. Locate the screen assembly screws on the hinges. There are typically 4 screws, 2 on each side. Use your Phillips screwdriver to remove these screws carefully. 6. With the screws removed, gently lift the screen from the hinges. Be cautious, as there may be cables attached to the screen. Carefully disconnect these cables from the motherboard. 7. If you don't have the tools or feel unsure about this process, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. Additionally, we can assist with pickup and delivery at your home, making the repair process hassle-free for you. 8. With the old screen removed, take your new screen and carefully connect the cables to the motherboard. Make sure they are securely connected to avoid any display issues. 9. Align the new screen with the hinges and screw it in place using the screws you removed earlier. Ensure everything is tightened properly but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the screen. 10. Now, reconnect the battery to the motherboard and replace the back cover. Screw it back into place with the screws you had set aside. 11. Before powering on your laptop, take a moment to clean any dust inside the case using a soft cloth or compressed air. This will help maintain optimal performance. 12. Finally, power on your Asus GL703G and check to see if the new screen is working correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Congratulations! You have successfully replaced the screen on your Asus GL703G. This process not only saves money but gives you the satisfaction of doing it yourself. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.